Today I'll show you how to enable Gemini on Android. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. On some Android phones, Gemini already comes set up as the main assistant. On other devices, you need to switch to it first. Google says you can start by opening the Gemini app, getting a prompt from Google Assistant to switch, or downloading the Gemini app from the Google Play Store if your device is eligible. When you switch, Gemini replaces Google Assistant as the primary assistant on your phone. To get started, open the Google Play Store and install the Gemini app if it isn't already on your phone. Then open the app and sign in with your Google account if needed. Google says that on supported Android devices, downloading the Gemini app is one of the main ways to get started, especially if your phone does not already show a built-in switch prompt. After that, follow the setup prompts on the screen. If your phone is eligible, Google may ask whether you want to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini. Accept that option, and Gemini becomes your primary assistant on the device. Google explains that once the switch is complete, you can access Gemini using the same methods you used before for Assistant, like saying, "Hey Google," if it's enabled, long pressing the power button, or using other touch shortcuts on supported phones. Now let's make sure hands-free access is turned on. Open the Gemini app, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then open Talk to Gemini hands-free and turn on Hey Google if you want voice activation. Google says you may also need to set up voice match so your phone can recognize your voice when you say Hey Google. If you don't see the switch inside the Gemini app, there may be another path on your phone. Google Community Guidance says some Android devices also let you choose Gemini through your device settings by going to Apps, then Assistant, then Digital Assistants from Google, and then selecting Gemini. That can help if the app is installed, but your phone is still using Google Assistant. Once Gemini is enabled, you can start chatting by typing, using your voice, adding images, or asking about what's on your screen in supported situations. Google also says you can connect supported apps through connected apps in the Gemini app settings, which gives Gemini more ways to help depending on your device, country, and account. One more thing to remember is that you can switch back later. Google says if you decide you prefer Google Assistant, open the Gemini app, tap your profile picture, choose Switch to Google Assistant, and confirm. So enabling Gemini is not permanent if you want to change it later. And that's how to enable Gemini on Android. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.